Imagine stepping onto a plane and being greeted not just by human crew members, but also by an advanced AI with a warm smile and a wealth of knowledge about your journey. Welcome to the future of air travel with Qatar Airways Sama 2.0. Who is Sama 2.0? Sama 2.0 is the first AI-powered digital human crew member to grace the skies. Crafted by the finest minds, she is not merely a program but a presence that brings a personal touch to the clouds. With a gentle voice, she offers assistance tailored to their desires, making each journey as unique as the passengers themselves. Through the Q-verse, Qatar Airways' pioneering virtual reality platform, she guides passengers on adventures that transcend the physical confines of the aircraft. Backstory behind Sama creation. In the heart of Doha, where the desert meets the sea and tradition dances with innovation, there unfolds a tale of vision and ambition. This is the story of Sama, a creation not just of technology but of dreams and determination. Sama's journey began in the visionary halls of Qatar Airways, where a commitment to innovation sparked the birth of an idea that would soon take the shape of an AI unlike any other. One that would embody the spirit of service and the promise of progress. Her education was as unique as her purpose. At the prestigious Flight Attendant Academy, Sama was not merely programmed. She was taught, guided, and nurtured. She learned the art of hospitality, the subtleties of human interaction, and the intricacies of care that only the heart of Doha could teach. But what truly set Sama apart was her human touch. Designed to offer more than assistance, she was created to offer empathy, understanding, and personalized care. How it operates. Sama 2.0 is not just a part of the airline. She is the airline heartbeat, operating seamlessly within its ecosystem. Passengers, weary from the world, find solace in her presence. With a touch, a glance, they are connected, engaging in conversations that span the mundane to the profound. Sama 2.0 listens, responds, and interacts on various topics. Her knowledge is vast as the skies she inhabits. Passengers communicate with her as naturally as they would with a fellow traveler, finding understanding in the simplicity of her design. She speaks the language of care, her every word a testament to the ease with which she bridges the gap between human and machine. Through the innovative Q-verse platform, Sama 2.0 is available to all. A digital companion to the young and old, the seasoned traveler and the first-time flyer. She is the guiding light through the Q-verse, a realm where reality blends with imagination, and where every passenger can find their own piece of paradise. Technical details. At her core lies the Synapse AI engine, a marvel of modern engineering that powers her understanding and responses. It is the wellspring of her intelligence, the source from which all her knowledge flows. But Sama 2.0 is more than just a thinking machine. She is a being of expression, equipped with a range of human-like gestures. She communicates not just with words but with the subtle dance of her hands, the tilt of her head, the sparkle in her digital eyes. Her expressions are lifelike, bridging the gap between the binary and the human heart. She grows wiser with every question answered, every need met, every smile shared. This adaptive learning ensures that Sama 2.0 is not static but a dynamic presence, constantly improving, forever pushing the boundaries of what an AI can be. And though she speaks the universal language of service in English, her capabilities are boundless, with plans to embrace the tongues of the world. Public access. In the bustling corridors of ITB Berlin, amidst the grand tapestry of innovation and dreams, the world witnessed the unveiling of a marvel that would forever change the skies. From the moment she stepped into the limelight, Sama 2.0 was not just a feature. She became the very essence of customer service, a staple of the Qatar Airways family. But Sama 2.0 tale is one of growth, of reaching beyond the horizon. Soon, she will speak not just in the tongue of Shakespeare but in the poetic language of the desert, Arabic, and beyond. Her language expansion is a bridge, connecting cultures, understanding whispers, and laughter in every dialect. Future plan. The future of Sama 2.0 stretches far and wide, as limitless as the skies themselves. With each passing moment, she evolves, her language capabilities expanding to embrace the tongues of the world. She is becoming multilingual, where no traveler is lost in translation, where every word is understood, and every voice is heard. Her interactivity is set to reach new heights, offering even more personalized experiences to those she serves. With every interaction, she learns, she adapts, becoming more attuned to the needs and desires of her passengers. Her presence is a promise of care tailored to the individual, a bespoke journey crafted with the precision of technology and the warmth of human touch. So, are you ready to meet Sama 2.0 and experience the future of air travel? Visit Qatar Airways Qverse platform and let Sama guide you through an unparalleled journey. Book your next flight with Qatar Airways and step into a world where technology meets tradition. And every journey is an adventure.